हर्षवर्धन. Welcome, dear student. Good morning to everyone. In previous period, we discussed about different tests and examples on that tests. Today, we discuss about examples on tests of congruent triangle and also one theorem, that is isosceles triangle theorem, we discuss today. Let us start. In previous period, we solve that example. Then next, we discuss here. Next example. Here, first triangle is triangle LMN and another triangle is triangle PNM. Segment LM congruent segment PN. Yes. Technical error. 1 minute. Yes. Sorry for technical error. Yes. Segment LN congruent segment PM. Here, segment LM congruent segment PN. Then LN is congruent PM. Then question is write the test which assures S congruence of two triangles. Write their remaining congruent parts. Then S write the test which assures congruence of two triangles, means We show here two triangles are congruent. Triangle's name is, first triangle is triangle LMN, this triangle, and here triangle LMN, and another triangle is triangle PNM. In triangle LMN and triangle LMN, its one correspondence in this way, that is triangle PNM. As first condition is, what we get here, first condition, that is segment LM congruent segment PN, and this is given as segment LM congruent segment PN, that is given here. Then another condition is segment LN congruent segment PM, and this is also given. Then third condition tell here as, what is the third condition? As third condition is, as here in both triangle, which side is common side? In first triangle MN side, in second triangle also MN side, means MN is the common side, and common side congruent itself, that is segment MN congruent segment MN, and reason is common side. Therefore, three conditions are getting here. Then we can say that two triangles are congruent. First triangle is triangle LMN congruent. Second triangle is PNM, and reason is side test. Yes, test. Therefore, here this is common side. Another question is, write their remaining congruent parts. Which are the remaining congruent parts? That is three sides, three pair of sides already we write here. Then what is the remaining parts? That is three pair of angle. Angle here L congruent angle SP. Then another pair angle M इथं म्हणू शकत नाही, कारण 1, 2 आणि हा मोठा देखील आहे, त्यामुळे इथं नेमका कोणता?
that is this angle M of green triangle, that is angle L, M, N. Congruent, tell here as angle P, N, M. Then another pair, first, second and third here, that is angle L, N, M. ह्या हिरव्या त्रिकोणाचा कोण सांगायचा आहे, ग्रीन ट्रायंगलचा अँगल L, N, M. कॉन्ग्रुएंट, या गुलाबी रंगाचा जो ट्रायंगल आहे त्याचा अँगल हा सांगायचा आहे, that is name of that angle is angle PMN, and reason is corresponding angles of congruent triangle. In this way we can solve that example. This is 3.2 and fourth number example. The next example we discuss here. Here triangles are given. Here A, B, C, D. Then segment AB congruent segment BC. Segment AB is congruent segment CB. Then segment AD congruent segment CD. That AD is congruent CD. This is given. Prove that triangle ABD congruent triangle CBD. Yes. In solution, yes, पहिल्या लिंकला प्रॉब्लेम आलेला होता म्हणून तुम्हाला दुसरी लिंक पाठवलेली होती व्हॉट्सअपला. Sorry for technical error. Then in triangle ABD and another triangle is CBD. Yes, first condition is segment AB congruent segment CB. Yes, segment AB congruent segment CB, and reason is this is given. Then second condition is segment AD congruent segment CD, and this is also given. And third is, tell here which condition. Tell here third condition, that is in both triangle BD segment present means this is common side. Segment BD congruent segment BD, and reason is common side, and therefore if three conditions are getting, then what we write? अगदी छान उत्तर द्यायला लागलाय बघा पाटील, बेबरे, तेजस. Yes, good. Give correct answer. If three conditions are getting, then we can say that two triangles are congruent. That is triangle ABD congruent triangle CBD. And tell here reason. Yes, that is side, side, side. Yes, yes, yes. Here also yes, yes, yes. S, 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 paste. And that is the asking question. Show that two triangles are congruent. Hence the proof. This is the solution method. 3.2, that is fifth number example. Yes. Then next example. Here P, Q, R, S and T. Then angle P congruent angle R is given. Segment PQ congruent segment RQ is given. Prove that triangle PQT congruent triangle RQS. In solution, we write in triangle, name of triangle is triangle PQT is given, and another triangle is RQS. That triangle PQT, triangle PQT in this way we get here, and another triangle RQS. RQS. Yes, these two triangles we show congruent. By which method? Yes, first condition is angle P congruent angle R, that is given. Then segment PQ, this segment PQ congruent segment RQ. Yes, means two conditions we write here. First is angle P congruent angle R, and reason is given. Yes, then second segment PQ. This PQ segment congruent segment, that segment is RQ, and reason is this is given. Then next another condition is, tell here another condition, that is here green triangle and here pink triangle, and here in green triangle angle Q present, and in pink triangle also angle Q present, means angle Q present in both triangle, means that is common angle, angle Q congruent angle Q. Q हा एकच कोण आहे, बाकी दुसरीकडे नाही आहे, त्यामुळे एक अक्षरी चालतो. हा Q दोन्ही त्रिकोणामध्ये आहे, that is common angle. We write here reason, common angle. Yes, technical error. 1 minute. टेक्निकल एरर पुन्हा आलेला आहे. Yes, sorry for technical error. नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लेम किंवा टेक्निकल एरर हा येऊ शकतो, त्यामुळे स्क्रीन काही वेळा काही सेकंदासाठी थांबते. येस, आय रिमूव्ह टेक्निकल एरर. अँगल क्यू कसा आहे, तर ह्या हिरव्या त्रिकोणामध्ये आहे, त्यानंतर हा अँगल क्यू या गुलाबी त्रिकोणामध्ये आहे, म्हणजे अँगल क्यू जो आहे तो दोन्ही त्रिकोणामध्ये आहे, म्हणजे तो कॉमन अँगल आहे. therefore angle Q congruent angle Q and reason is common angle. एक अक्षरी लिहिला तरी चालतो. And we get 3 conditions, first, second and third, and we can say that two triangles are congruent. Yes, छान उत्तर दिलेलं आहे बघा तेजसने. That is triangle PQT congruent triangle RQS, and reason is angle side angle. Here angle side angle ASA, here also ASA, ASA test. In this way we can get the answer, and that is the asking question, hence the proof. Test of congruent triangle. First we discuss, that is side angle side test. Second is angle side angle test. Third is side test. Fourth is hypotenuse side test. And here today we discuss about another test, triangle there are two triangles, angle B congruent to angle C, angle BAD congruent to angle CAD, and third condition already we get here. What is the third condition? That is, in both triangle, side AD present, AD is the common side and congruent itself. And here we get side angle angle. Yes, a test. Side angle angle. Side angle angle test. In both triangle, as for 1-1 correspondence, what we say, in a correspondence as two pair of angles are congruent and side opposite to anyone. Here angle B and its opposite side is AD. Here angle C, its opposite side is AD. Means side opposite to any angle. एक तर अँगल बी ची साईड असेल किंवा अँगल ए ची साईड असू शकते. ही साईड घेतली तर हिअर ऑल्सो साईड अँगल अँगल टेस्ट मिळते. मीन्स definition of test is two angles of first triangle are congruent to two corresponding angles of second triangle. Two angles of first triangle are congruent with two corresponding angles of second triangle, and sides opposite to any one corresponding angle is congruent. Then we can say that two triangles are congruent by SAA test. Yes, if two angles of first triangle are congruent with corresponding two angles of second triangle and sides opposite to any one corresponding angle is congruent, then we can say that two triangles are congruent by SAA test. In triangle, first triangle name is triangle ADB and second triangle name is triangle ADC. Yes. First is segment AD congruent segment AD, segment AD congruent segment AD, and reason is this is common side that present in both triangle. common side. Then another is angle here side, then this angle. SAA टेस्ट लिहित असताना साइडच्या जवळचाच अँगल लिहायचा. ही जी साइड आहे त्याच्या जवळचाच अँगल लिहायचा, हा अँगल चालत नाही. हियर अँगल, धिस अँगल, नियरेस्ट अँगल ऑफ दॅट साइड, अँगल BAD, congruent angle SCAD, and reason is given. Side angle and another angle is angle B, congruent angle C. हे एक अक्षरी लिहू शकतो. हा एक अक्षरी लिहिता येत नाही कारण हा डाव्या बाजूचा असेल किंवा उजव्या बाजूचा किंवा हा मोठा, असे तीन प्रकार मिळू शकतात. जसं बी च्या ठिकाणी तीन प्रकार, दोन प्रकार मिळू शकत नाही. बी हा एकटाच आहे, त्यामुळे एक अक्षरी चालतो. अँड दिस इज गिवन, अँड देअरफोर वी कॅन से दॅट yes, therefore here three conditions are getting, then we can say that triangle ADB congruent triangle ADC, and reason is yes, reason is that is side angle SAA test. Yes, this is, in this way we can write then next here I draw here triangle. Yes, here in that triangle how many sides are congruent? That is, two sides are congruent, and if two sides are congruent, then that triangle is called as, tell here name of that triangle. That is isoscale triangle, and today we discuss about isoscale triangle theorem. And that is very important theorem. Theorem is, if two sides of a triangle are congruent, then angles opposite to them are also congruent. If two sides of a triangle are congruent, then angles opposite to them are congruent. In solution, we write, we prove that sentence in four parts. First part is given, and in given we draw here triangle A, B, C, and in given we write information between if and then. if आणि then मधली जी माहिती आहे ती यामध्ये लिहायची आहे. मीन्स टू साइड्स ऑफ अ ट्रायंगल आर कॉन्ग्रुएंट. In triangle name is triangle ABC. Which are the two sides congruent? Yes, that is segment AB congruent segment AC. Then next part is to prove. Yes, here then in to prove we write information after then sentence. Then नंतरची माहिती. Angles opposite to them. Here first side is AB and we want angle opposite to this side AB. AB च्या समोरचा कोन that is angle C. Angle C congruent, and here AC side and we want angle opposite to side AC. AC या बाजू समोरचा कोन that is angle B. Yes, good answer given here. शिवने, पाटील, कुंभार, भेबरे, पाटील, तेजस. Good answer given here. Yes. Then next part is construction. And construction is here we draw angle bisector of angle A. A चा कोन दुभाजक काढायचा आहे. Here angle A या कोनाचा दुभाजक काढायचा आहे. या भुजेवर अंदाजे अंतर घेऊन कंस काढायचे. Yes. Here A is the center and two arcs we draw here. Then point of intersection हा छेदनबिंदू घ्यायचा बाजूवरील and arc, त्यानंतर हा बाजूवरील छेदनबिंदू घ्यायचा. In this way we can get here angle bisector. Yes, this is angle bisector, and here point is D. Draw bisector of angle A. Which intersect BC in point D. Draw bisector of angle A which intersect segment BC in point D. And this is bisector means two angles are congruent. The next part is proof. Yes, here which is the bisector? That is ray AD. Ray AD is bisector. This is bisector of angle, that is angle A. Bisector of angle A, and therefore we get two angles are congruent, that is angle BAD congruent angle CAD, and that is equation 1. Yes. Then in to prove two angles are congruent, when we say corresponding angles are congruent, कोण एकरूप आहेत असं केव्हा म्हणता येतं? That is when two triangles are congruent, then their corresponding angles are, we can say that, congruent. हे कोण केव्हा एकरूप म्हणू शकतो? जेव्हा दोन त्रिकोण एकरूप असतात तेव्हा आपण म्हणू शकतो corresponding angles are congruent. Means C and B, C and B angles we want, then C आणि B अँगल असणारे ट्रायंगल घ्यायचे. एस फर्स्ट ट्रायंगल नेम. आता C हा उजव्या बाजूचा आहे आणि B हा डाव्या बाजूचा आहे. आपण डाव्या बाजूपासून सुरुवात करूया. B अँगल असणारा ट्रायंगल, दॅट इज ट्रायंगल ADB हा डाव्या बाजूचा. इन ट्रायंगल ADB and C triangle, C angle असणारा triangle, that is triangle ABC. In both triangle, that triangles we show here congruent. This first condition AB, second condition angle. Tell here third condition. दोन तर इथं कंडिशन दिसतात, एक बाजू एकरूप दिसते आणि इथं कोण एकरूप दिसतो. तिसरी कंडिशन कोणती आहे? Yes, many students give correct answer. कुंभार, पाटील, हर्षवर्धन पाटील, पाटील मुलींच्या मध्ये बेबरे, शिवने, प्रियंका पाटील, कुंभार, give good answer. Yes, ही बाजू, त्यानंतर हे कोण आणि तिसरी कंडिशन जी आहे ती दोन्ही ट्रायंगल मध्ये AD is the common side, means segment AD congruent segment AD, and we get three conditions. And test is, this is the test, side angle side, yes A yes. Then segment, first condition is segment AB congruent, second condition is segment AC, and reason is, yes, this is given, इथं दिलेलं आहे segment AB congruent segment AC. Then angle, name of angle BAD congruent, name of that angle is angle CAD, and reason is BAD and CAD congruent from 1. And third condition is segment AD congruent segment AD, and reason is that is common side. Therefore, if three conditions are getting, then we can say that two triangles are congruent, triangle ADB congruent, triangle ADC, and reason is yes, A yes, yes, A yes test. Yes, good answer given here. बरेच विद्यार्थी अगदी छान उत्तर द्यायला लागलेत. Therefore, corresponding angle of first triangle is that is angle B. Congruent corresponding angle of triangle second triangle is that is angle C, and reason is corresponding angle of congruent triangle. Therefore, we write in reverse order, that is angle C congruent angle B, and that is to prove, hence the proof. This is important theorem asked in exam. परीक्षेमध्ये हा नेहमी विचारतात. 10वीला देखील हा महत्वाचा आहे.
Dear student, today we discuss about different examples on congruent tests of congruent triangles, and one test, that is SAA test, we discuss today, and one theorem also, that is isoscale triangle theorem. The next part we see in next period. Thank you. The next part we see next period. Thank you.